Hey everybody, it is Sunday before we begin week 7, and hey, that means we are officially half finished with our shorter summer term. I'm coming to you from along the river on the red bike, and I'm in Sawyer Point Park. You can't see the river off to the side of me, but it's there. I'm between bridges here, approaching the Purple People Bridge right now. And I just hopped on a bike and rode over to Covington and checked out a festival over there, and then stopped somewhere else to have some a bite to eat, and I'm just enjoying a little bike ride. So I just wanted to say hi, and normally this is the first ever for me, so I've done a million of these walking greetings while I'm out for a walk, and this is my first time doing it on a bike, so it's going well so far. I'm about to go onto the Purple People Bridge. You'll see it over me, and there it is. All right, so anyway, by the time you see this, I hope you had a good weekend and are ready for week 7. All right, so lots of good new material here, and it's a little hard to concentrate on these things. So anyway, I hope you had a good weekend. I don't like my bear cats a little bit. All right, company man all the way. That's right. All right. So anyway, I'm rambling and rolling here. So anyway, welcome to my first ever rolling greeting, all right, instead of my walking greeting. So anyway, make it a great week. Keep up the excellent work, and get outside and do fun stuff and get some fresh air through your nostrils, all right? You know, that's important every day. Get outside, get some fresh air, and do something active, all right? And stay kind, and be good, and know that I'm proud of you. So, I'll see you next time on feet or on pedals. We'll see. Bye for now.